Hello beautiful people, I am back with a brand new video. I just got my May issue of curlBOX and I just want to share with you guys what products I got this month and do a little review. This month we received Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration. Alright, so we have the Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk with also the Intensive Hydration Conditioner, also the shampoo. We have the Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel and also the Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard.
Dark of the berry, deep of the roots. Black of the berry, the sweet of the juice. Land all the forbidden fruit. Girl, you know I just had a pursuit. That melanin in your skin can't make a godly man sin. It's never about what's on the outside, but girl, more what's on within. Yeah, there's beauty in that melanin. Girl, I'm trying to be your king. Might be a different shade of brown, but you're a queen, girl, here's a crown. Let me hold you down now, how that sound? Show you all falling out my town. I gotta be honest, you a goddess. You the hottest and modest. Love you forever, I promise. Take you on a trip out to St. Thomas. Yeah, so you can see the world. Yeah, just you and my baby girl. Yeah, I like them dreads and I like them curls, and I just love how you embrace it, girl. Lady of the sun, you are the one. When it's all said and done, honestly, I can really see us having a son. Teach truth, embrace your roots. To all my queens, I salute. Stay cute, I can no longer stay mute, so I say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. Yeah, black is beautiful. Be you to your soulful. I'm just trying to be vocal. Just might play the song of my proposal.
My Latin queen, effortless is your beauty. It speaks to me, it runs so deep and I can't believe it. Ooh, oh. Dark, lush mystery, so much meaning.
Okay, so here's my hair with all the products on it. I put a little rag on it to lay my edges and I'm just gonna let it air dry. So hopefully we get some luck here.
My Latin queen, effortless is your beauty. It speaks to me, it runs so deep and I can't believe.
Alright guys, so I am back. It's just been a few hours. My hair, it's about, I'll say 80% dry. It's just the back that's kind of wet. But now I love what the product do as far as definition with the wash and go, because I never succeed wash and goes. Like my hair always comes out frizzy. It is a little bit frizzy, but I kind of like it. I don't know, it's just something about frizz when it's on my hair or whatever. But as you can see, the gel did flake up. It's like really white right here and also pretty much all around. I don't know if I used too much gel, which I don't think I did, but even if I did, it shouldn't flake up. But I don't know. Have you guys tried this product, and if so, did you guys experience any flakes or anything? And also please give this video a thumbs up and also share. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. So as I was telling you guys, my hair was flaking up and I just want to show you how bad it is. If y'all can see that on my shoulders, and even like, look, this is crazy. All these flakes. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I love the product. I love how it came out so much. It's just flaky. But